Coach. On today's episode, we are on season 1, episode 19 on Learn Coding with Ashadiee. On today's episode, we are going to help the artist with code and learn no code with the artist. So let's get started. But before we get started, as I said in the previous video, I am going to tell you that the next episode will be that the next episode, which is episode 21, won't be episode 21. It'll be season 2, episode 1. So right after episode 20, it's gonna be season 2, episode 1. So also, season 2 is going to be all about Code Academy. Yeah, we're gonna be coding and learning new things. We're also gonna start doing text-based coding. And we're also going to start using Code Academy, then code.org now. So, let's get started now. And for that, we're going to send up a registration so that if you want to learn coding, text-based coding, you can just sign up. We're going to put it in the comments below. Yeah, we're going to put it in the sign up link. So now we are here in the workspace. We're going to be making this wonderful shape. Now for a challenge. Here's a design that only uses blocks that you have already been shown. Can you figure out how to recreate it? Feel free to use trial and error. You are not expected to get it perfect the first time. So what they're saying is that practice makes perfect. The repeated shape is almost identical to the one in the last puzzle, except that the length used in the first loop is a little smaller. So remember last episode, we had like this black shape? Yeah, so this black shape, can you find it in here? Yes, I can see it right here, see? Like, right here. Alright, so let's go down right here. So, we're just going to need to make, here it is, Yes, we're going to need to like trace it. So let's go back here from 11, which is the one we did last episode. We're going to copy this. I don't think we can actually copy things. Maybe we can. Let's see. Oh yeah, we can. Except we can't do the whole thing. Wait, where is it? I think it starts over. So we're gonna go back to number 12. This time we're going to need to connect it. So I think now we're gonna do a nested loop inside of a nested loop.
Now, Shad, got a question here for you from the community. What is a nested loop?
So a loop is when you like, a loop is like something that continues and continues over and over again. But a repeat loop in this case, in coding, is when you put code inside of a loop and then it continues that as many times as you want.
What is the benefit of loop?
The benefit of loops is that, like, let's say you're trying to do like a test or an exam, and they tell you to like write this long piece of code that is like you have to draw a shape that uses many small different shapes inside, but you just can't do all of that code. So what should you do? You should use a repeat block. You should use that to repeat that little small shape multiple times and times and times to go ahead and make that large shape. But a nested loop in this case is when you put a loop inside of another loop. Like if you try to like make a triangle, you might need a loop for that. But then let's try to say you need to make 3 triangles. You're gonna make a loop inside of another loop.
In real world scenario, Shadi, I mean, you can talk while I'm talking because they may not hear me. Can you say it? Real world scenario,
Well, in real world scenarios,
you can use
a nested loop
to
to
continually
continually
do
do
some
some
work.
work. Like think
Think
about
about
factors
factors
that
that
make
make
clothes. So you
clothes.
create the code that can make a given kind of factory product by using a loop that can make for you all day long with no one even with no one even like doing them. It just does it by itself, which is really useful in life. So now we have the code. We can just paste this right here. I'm gonna go back to 11. Now we're gonna copy this. For some reason, it just keeps on like, hmm. Okay, so now we have the code to just create one basic one, which is right there. So this time, we just have to make, I think you have to make this 30, and this 70, and this 110, and this 50. Okay, not exactly. What we're going to do is we're just going to use the ones we used last time. Let's see, will it make it? Yeah, similarly it
If you
does.
guys have any question for Sharia, I am monitoring the community here, so feel free to drop your question on the community on the question tab here on the comment tab, and I will bring it to Sharia.
Yep, that's right. So now since it says move forward by 30 pixels, we're gonna need to just all right, now if we just want to make this smaller, you know, have you seen that this is a little bigger than that? Yeah, that is true. So here's a way to fix it. We're just going to think, delete the code, and we're going to move forward by, let's see, 50? No, that looks a little too long. 40. A little bit less, 35. Yeah, I think it's 35. Wait, let's just get a hint. The half hexagon has a length of 30 and turns right by 60 degrees. The 2/3 triangle has a length of 80 and turns right by 120 degrees. It's a length of 30. So we're gonna need to move forward by 30 and turn right by 60 degrees. Turn right. Don't mix it up. Not turn left, turn right by 60 degrees. Okay? That's pretty good. That's a length of 30 and turns right by 230 degrees. So then we're going to need to copy this one too. And just hmm. Hmm. Okay. That is enough. Move forward by 80. I mean, not 80. 40. Yeah, it is 40. Then turns right by 120 degrees. Hmm. Actually, not move forward by 20 by 40 pixels. 80, actually. What if we do it 70? Hmm. Repeat 3 times. Move forward by 30 pixels. Hmm. Okay. So now we are. Let's just try it one more time. Problem is that it. Hmm. This gives me an idea. What if I put a nested loop? Just put 3, for example. Hmm. That was pretty close, but not too much. What if I just repeat it more times? 6 times this time. I did it! Amazing! That is really good.
So, here is a question for you guys.
Here's a question for you guys. So the benefit of a loop is that you can you can you have one piece of code and you can do it multiple times. That's the main project of a loop. Yeah, so we can continue. All right, now we have to make this one. Now you've learned everything you need to know to make a pattern like this. If this picture inspires you to try to make something similar, otherwise, create something all your own. Okay. Now this gives me an idea. Okay, so I'm going to do set pattern random color. Set color random color. Move forward by 100 pixels. Move backward by 100 pixels. So they did this, I think, on the last episode, so I want to try it myself. Oh, wait. It also had to turn left by 1 degree. Now it's going to make a circle. Interesting.
So, think about loop just like this. Try
Loops
to do
are
it
very
360
interesting.
times. Wow, that's so
It's going to repeat it 360 times. And every time it's going to turn left by 1 degree.
1 degree.
Let's see what would happen if it was 2 degrees. But in this case, it has to be 360 divided by 2, which is 180. So it's going to be like, it's going to do it faster.
Half time than to.
So,
Now, let's do more experiments. Let's make this one to a 4.
yeah,
Make it a 4.
which means 360 divided by 4,
And then, yes. There we can
which
have
is going to be 90.
Now we run it.
Now it's going to be even faster.
Go faster. That's how many 90s we can get. Now let's make this one 8.
8, which is going to be 45. Not 45, actually.
Let's take a look at it. See?
Wow.
See those opening? Because we got 45. We tell this one to be more down, like change it to 40, for example.
Yeah, we're going to be 40. Then it's going to be even
Why
faster
it's
now.
gonna be more cooler and there is this empty space.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not
Because
360.
40 is not a multiple of 90.
Correct. It doesn't make 360.
Mm-hmm.
So 45 is the right answer.
So now I have an idea. What if I make like the circle to be the colors of the rainbow? Then I have to know how many colors of the rainbow there are. Red, orange, yellow, green. Okay, there's 7 colors in the rainbow. That means it's going to be repeat 7 times. Then we're going to need 360 divided by. Then we're going to need to know 360 divided by 100. I mean, divided by 7. That's 51. That's 51. So it's going to be repeat 51 times. Move forward, move backwards, turn right this time. Move forward by 100. This time it's going to be color red. Now let's see. Yep, like that. So we're going to do this multiple times. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Okay, we'll see now. Interesting, now it's going to be rainbow. Oh, amazing. But there's still a little bit left over, which means we're going to need to, like, make there more colors. Make there to be more colors. Okay. Wait, this gives me an idea. Now let's make the end color to be white. Then it's going to turn rainbow. See how amazing? And that color, and then just white.
Everyone, we just got a guest here, Mahfouz. Hey, Mahfouz. Welcome.
So this is the rainbow circle that we made. What if we change this to left? Will it become the opposite way or will it still be the same? We will see. please put the answer in the comment below. Do you think it'll stay the same, or do you think it will like be the opposite way, which means like right now it's white, cyan, blue, green, yellow, orange, red? Do you think when it is like turned to left, do you think it's going to be red, orange, yellow, green, blue when it go violet? I think it'll like put it in a different place. Okay, we'll see. Oh! It makes the circle backward. How does he do it so fast? How does he draw white? Oh, to take away some of the red. Okay, let's try again. Just a little bit. I know. So now, since we made it a rainbow circle, what if this time we make it hmm let me think of more ideas. If you have any more ideas, please put them in the comments below. So I think I have one. What if we put like
Can you make Ethiopian flag?
oh yeah, the Ethiopian flag. It is green, yellow, and red. So we're going to need to delete a lot of these. We also need to know what 360 is divided by 3. So 360 divided by 3. Oh yeah, 120. So now it has to be repeat 120 times. The color shall be green, yellow, and red. Now this is going to show the Ethiopian flag. By the way, the more you see right here, when we like add like 3 of them, then the circle will become divided into thirds, like as a fraction. So if we do 4 of them, which means 360 divided by 4, it would be like the pieces would be a little smaller and like fractions. During 20 point. So this time it's going to be different. No, this time let's make it a black and white circle. Black is first, then white. Oh wait, I mean repeat 300 and repeat 180 degree. I think one time. Just one time because I think I have an idea. What if we bring this? Put it like 360 times. Interesting. The gray and white circle. Amazing. So at the end, we're going to let it move forward by 200 pixels. Now it's gonna like make a gray circle. Really, you might think it's gray because it looks gray, but really when you zoom in closer, you're gonna realize it's made out of black and white. So yeah, now we also made it like to have a pattern too. There. Looks good. So now we can make more. Let's think of another one. Alright. This time, let's make it this in white. Let's see what it would look like. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's gonna be 300 and I think 180 instead. Wow. Amazing. What if we make it to be this color? Okay, doesn't look so bad. Now let's make it yellow. I wonder what it would look like. Hmm. Okay, now it just looks like a yellow circle. Like a pure yellow circle, just without anything. Let's make it a darker color this time, which isn't black. It's purple. Interesting. I wonder how it has like a pattern. Like, if you see that it has, like, it also has like, it looks like it's, like, it has like lines and then a diamond. And then, yeah, looks like it's carpet, like a circle carpet. Done. So we're done. So, still playing, here's a blank canvas where you can design anything you want. So, we're going to do this on episode 20, luckily.
But before we end the video, let's take a few minutes of break.
Join Texas Coach today. Alright, so that was a really nice break, and, well, yeah, there's who knows all the things you could do in code.org. So, well, bye everyone. We'll see you on the next episode. Thank you for watching, Success